Good morning, good day, and good night wherever you may be. Did you know that exercise can help improve cognitive function in people with neurological disabilities? It's not just about physical strength, it's about boosting brain power too. This is Art Thomas, and I have acquired ataxia. Welcome back to Living with Ataxia.
We're going to do shoulder flexion. So if your band's long enough and or tight enough, strong enough, you can do both arms at the same time. You can do one arm at a time. All right, go ahead. Now, look at me now. Look at me. Look at me. Look, stop. Down. Straight out toward me. Straight out toward me. Yeah, that's shoulder flexion. Now, don't go back. Now, you know how you were like this a little bit out? Do that. Not that far, like in between, like maybe 30 degrees. Yes, that's called scaption. That's good for your rotator cuff. So you can go straight up, shoulder flexion, or the 30 degrees out. Not that far. Scaption, that's good. Now, to make it harder, you can either choke up on the band, as long as the band can take it, because beyond a certain point, the band might break. Or you can get a heavier band. Do it with the other arm. Switch arms. And you can do one at a time, or if your band is long enough or strong enough, you can do both arms at the same time. Go ahead, straight up toward me. Shoulder, all right. Now 30 degrees out. Good. Straight up again. 30 degrees out. Now do this. Straight out to the side. There you go. Like a lateral raise. Now, look at me. I'm going to bend over at the waist and go straight back. Just try to hit the rear delts. So you can do all four variations. Straight ahead, 30 degrees out, scaption. Straight out to the side, or bent over like that to hit all the three heads of the deltoid. Good. Now you're going to do diagonal moves with your shoulder, like drawing a sword out. Come across. And you can angle it higher or lower to work different aspects of the shoulder. Now, look at me. One thing you can do is point the thumb up when you do it, when you come up. Yes, and then when you come down, do this. Down, up. Switch arms. Don't see if you do this, you just make it a tricep exercise. Bring the arm all the way down, come up. For the most part, you want your arm to be fairly straight, fairly stiff. Doesn't have to be locked at the elbow. You can have a little slight bend. You can make it a tricep. Look at me. Do like this. You can add the tricep to it. And that's fine. But still, let it come down here. Now let it come down here. And then as you raise, like that. Sound effects are free. That's going to work like your rear deltoid, side deltoid, triceps. That's good. I'm going to do bicep curls here. And I failed to mention in the previous demonstrations, but in all these, you can do these standing or seated. If you need to be seated, or you're working from a wheelchair or what have you. All these will work from a seated position as well. Now curl it neutral, like a hammer curl. Good. That's good right there. You're going to do external rotation. So what you're going to do is keep the elbows locked at your side, rotate outward, let shoulder blades squeeze together, then come back, out, back. Strive to keep the elbows at your side the whole time. Good. As with all these, you can do any of these variations of exercise with these bands, standing or seated. Good, right there. We're going to do band pull aparts. So bring it up chest level, pull it apart. Squeeze shoulder blades together, come back. Squeeze shoulder blades together, come back. That's good. And again, as with each one of these exercises, you can do them standing or seated. But if you can do them standing, do it. That's good, right there.
In conclusion, mastering the proper form of each exercise is key to maximizing your workout results. By focusing on technique, you can prevent injuries, strengthen your muscles, and achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. Remember, practice makes perfect. I challenge you to incorporate these exercises into your next workout routine. Don't forget to subscribe for more beginner-friendly to advanced workout videos and tips to enhance your fitness journey. Ataxia is a major neurological disorder, and this channel will help all people with neurological disabilities. Keep pushing yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.